Today I'm going to teach you how to make your own paper phone. What you need for this is a glue stick, some printer paper, thin flimsy cardboard such as a cereal box or, hamburger helper, a pair of scissors, a pencil or pen, and for tracing, you'll need a real phone. First, get your cardboard and trace out the phone and you want to trace out the design. You want to outline the phone. So place the phone on the cardboard and trace around it with a pencil. You don't want to do a marker or anything because you don't want to get any marker stuff on the actual phone case. Trace the same phone 2 times onto separate cardboard if your phone is bigger, like a bigger size. I'm doing an iPhone 6. Or you could trace the template that you just did. When you're at the volume buttons, you want to start at the volume button and then stop at the volume button. And then just connect them like that. Now, with your scissors, cut each of the trace phones out the cardboard, outside the line and not in the line. Now that you have your 2 iPhone templates, this is going to be your front and this is going to be your back. Now what you're going to do, set them, make them touch each other, and find out which one is the bigger size. So this one is the bigger size, so I'm going to take my printing paper and stick my template on the paper and take my pencil and trace over it. It doesn't have to be perfectly lined up. Now take your scissors and cut it out. Take your cardboard and the piece of paper that you just cut out and see if it's good. You want to set it like this so that the design is facing up and that your paper is covering it. Now take the paper and your glue stick and this cardboard sheet, and glue it together. Glue stick. Now, take your second cardboard template and stick it together with the design facing down so it's like this. Now, when you flip it over to the back, all you see is cardboard. Take a marker. I'm using this super fat Sharpie, but you don't have to do that. You want to take the real phone and look at the resemblance. Apple logo here, so it goes right here. Camera here, it goes up there. So this is my terrible Apple logo, and I'm just gonna color that in. And make a place where the camera goes. Now, when you flip it over to the back, you'll see this paper. When you flip the real phone over, you see the details. When you turn the phone on, you see the battery percent, you see the date, you see the time, and you see if your Wi-Fi is working, and you see the dots here, and the lock button. And make sure to get this part too. Make a line right here. So this line right here that divides the cover with the screen, you want to make it on here so it looks just like a real phone. A little bit of a curve to it. Just right there, little selfie camera. Now, whenever you open up the phone, you should see the time and the date and the percent. So I'm going to write down all of these, plus the time up here, up there, and the percent. You might want to use color markers for this step. First, I recommend writing down the time up here and then the percent. Now with my pen, I'm going to make boxes for each individual app. I'm going to make one of those speech bubbles that comic strip people use for the messaging app. And I'm going to color the outside green because that's the color of the outside. Next, I'm going to make a box for the calendar. The box for the calendar doesn't really need to be big. Next, I'm going to make the app for camera. I'm going to draw a box and then a little square on top and a circle in the middle. I'm going to color the camera gray because that's what the camera on the app looks like. Next, I'm going to do the Notes app. At the top of the Notes app, it has a line, a curved line, and then it has straight lines going across like this. The line is colored in yellow, and the lines are colored blue. Now I'm going to do the FaceTime app. Now I'm going to make a personalized app. I'm going to do the Maps app. I'm not going to make it like the regular one. I'm going to make it like a pin drop. Or like a raindrop. Now I'm going to make the Clock app. Next, I'm going to add the Instagram app. Even though I don't have Instagram, I just wanted to make it like a personalized touch. But if you do have Instagram, you can add the app. And for this one, we're going to use crayon to color it in because the marker is going to cover it up. So I'm going to use some of these crayons that I got at a restaurant. Now I'm going to make the Reminders app. Now we're going to make the Settings app. Well, since we already have a gray app right here, let's make that a different app. So let's put another app here. This is going to be the Settings app. Let's make this one the Facebook app. This is going to be the Settings app. And now our phone is complete. Here is my brand new iPhone 6S. Isn't it amazing? I think it is. Yeah, so that's how you make your very own paper phone / cardboard phone, and with the apps along with it. So yeah, that's how you make your own paper phone. I'll see you next time. Bye!